Now, I've been wanting to build a PC for a long time, but I've never gotten the chance to because overall the prices were just too high. But recently, crypto absolutely crashed. Therefore, GPU prices have gone down. So then I decided I'm gonna upgrade my PC. Let's get started. But before, we have to clear out this table. So let's do one of those transitions. Now before building the PC, we gotta take out old parts from my old PC because I'm cheap and I don't want to buy new parts that I already have. So let's do that. Yeah, here. Yeah. As you can tell, it's got no graphics card, therefore I had to be running on integrated graphics, which are not that fun. So that's why I got this. I got this for around 175, which is something I would have never imagined like 4 months ago. But because crypto prices are down the toilet right now, I got this at a pretty good price. Now, has this been mined on? Probably, but it's a small price to pay to get closer to RTX. It's let me read it. GeForce RTX 2060 Ventus X S 6 gigabytes. Well, let's take out everything from this case. By the way, I unscrewed this earlier so I could take it out easily. Now we're gonna want two things. One is the RAM, and the other thing is a CPU. So we're gonna have to get that. But to get that, we're gonna have to do a little bit of maneuvering. Got the RAM out there. This one's from Samsung. I believe it's 4 gigabytes. Yeah, this one's 4 gigabytes. And this one is from another Korean company I've never heard of, and it's 8 gigabytes. Now, that means it's 12 gigabytes of RAM. I don't know why they made it like that. Probably because it was cheap or something, but, you know, we gotta do what we work with. That made no sense. Okay, let's get the CPU out now. Ryzen 5 3400G. Now, what I'm aware of, this CPU will definitely bottleneck my computer, but it's what we got and it's what we have to work with. Anyway, now comes the fun part. Oh, actually, I have one thing to do before. These are all our parts and some tools I got. As we said, this is my CPU. This is my SSD. These are my RAM. This is my graphics card. Oh, let me get it better. Okay. This is my motherboard. And this is my power supply. Now, all this are gonna come together and build a PC. Well, I hope they do. If everything works well. Oh, also I got a case, but I'm too lazy to bring that up here. Anyway, let's start this up. Now, I can't do this alone. So I'm gonna watch a YouTube tutorial. Oh, who is this guy?
Our land, our culture, our people once expansive, now whittled down to a small community.
No.
One proposition supports California tribes like ours while providing hundreds of millions in yearly funding to finally address homelessness in California.
Whoa.
Vote yes on 27.
Yes.
Tax online sports betting and protect tribal sovereignty and help Californians that are hurting the most.
Guys, that was so powerful. We gotta vote yes. Anyway, I got this video from Linus. You know, the Linus, I know. Which is gonna show me how to build a PC. Okay? Now this luckily came out like 4 months ago, so if I built this PC any earlier, this guy would have not been here. And this guy, let me tell you, is very in-depth. Like, it's got everything. Guys, watch this. I'm not an unboxing channel. Whoa. It came with the SATA cable, I think this is. Here's the motherboard. Whoa. Now, I've seen so many videos of people building PCs. Oh, I would just like to disclaim that I've never built a PC before, so this is my first time. I've seen many people build PCs, and I've always seen them putting it on the box. So I think I should put the motherboard on the box. And the video also said you should do it, so I'm gonna just listen to the video. Wow. Look at this. Guys, this is amazing. Okay, so let's see what to do first. Okay, now it's time to install the CPU. Actually, let me get the camera at a better angle. There we go. Okay, now you're supposed to latch this up. I gotta match it like this. Okay. Oh god. Oh, there we go. We did it, guys. We did it, Joe. We did it. Okay. That is good. Okay. Now let's keep watching the tutorial. Now, let's apply the thermal compound. Now I believe I was watching the video and they said a pea size, which covered about the Z, so I'm gonna do that. Is that good? Now I watch this guy sometimes on YouTube Shorts, it comes up sometimes, who loves thermal compound. I forgot his name, but I remember specifically him saying, more is better than less, so I'm gonna put that much. That's probably too much, but we'll find out. Now it's time to install the cooler. Which way does it go? I have no idea. I don't think it matters, but it may. Yeah, I think it's fine. Let me watch the video real quick. Now it is time to put my graphics card in, because I have to test it out to see if it actually works. So let's do that. Here we go, guys. This is the big money thing. It made no sense. Use this, I remember. Put it like in here or something, but I want to make sure.
This is where the screwdriver comes in. Find the front panel header for your motherboard, often in the lower right corner, and then find the pins labeled for power switch. What now? Stick the screwdriver in. Yes. Seriously. Your screwdriver doubles as a
Oh!
Who knew?
It worked!
Wow. What else can screwdrivers do? LTDstore.com.
Oh my god, it actually worked! Guys, look, we're on the floor, have fun! Anyway, oh my god. We are going to install this power supply. Apparently, I think we should, I don't care at this point. Let's install it, guys, it's gonna be fun! To record myself installing the motherboard. I don't even know if you guys can even see that, but I totally forgot to record me installing all this into the case, except for the power supply. No, I even forgot to do that. Okay, but I'm not gonna redo all of this just for your viewing pleasure. Okay, I'm not gonna do this, and I swear, if this thing does not boot up correctly or something is not connected right, stuff is gonna happen. Okay, now let's boot this on and let's all be happy. I forgot to record an outro, so I'm gonna do that right now. So I plugged in the computer and it works well. I can run games perfectly fine, and it seems like the computer has picked up everything that I put in, so that's good. So yeah, that's about it. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that subscribe button, as I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and that would be really great if you guys subscribe. So yeah, goodbye.